Once again, I'm Siddharth Bhatia in front of you. I'm your biology and chemistry mentor. Okay, so I have uploaded math, science, English video, and yesterday we were taking coordination compound chapter of class 12 chemistry, and we are moving ahead. So today the topic is classification of ligands on the basis of donating sites. So today we will see how many donating sites are there. If donating site is only one, listen to me carefully. If donating site is only one, if one atom is donating, that means it is a monodentate ligand, or that ligand would be known as monodentate ligand. Monodentate ligand means only one site is donating. Only one atom is donating electron to the central metal atom. So here are the examples of chlorine, chloride, bromide, OH minus ions, H2O, NH3, ammonia. So in this case, only one atom will donate electrons to central metal atom. Okay, so it will be known as monodentate ligands or ligands. If the case is ambidentate ligands, in ambidentate ligands, two sites can donate. Listen to me carefully. Ambidentate, two sites can donate electrons, but at a time only one site. What is the meaning of one site? So two atoms can donate electron, but at a time one atom will donate the electron. So in this case we have NO2 minus, this is nitride ion, thiocyanide SCN minus and CN minus. Okay, now it is very interesting. I would like to take the examples of CN minus. Generally, students it seems to be that nitrogen has minus charge, but it is not that. Here, if you look at the Lewis dot structure, everybody knows the Lewis dot structure of cyanide. C triple bond N, and on N there is a lone pair present. Okay, and on C there is minus charge. It seems that nitrogen has minus charge, but in actual carbon has negative charge and one extra electron due to that negative charge. Carbon can make 4 bonds. One bond, two carbon can make 4 bonds. So 1 electron, 2 electron and 3 electron has been used with nitrogen by making 3 bonds. So 1 electron is left, and 1 more electron due to this negative charge. So one more lone pair is with carbon. So carbon can also donate electron, but at a time between carbon and nitrogen only one will donate electron. Now in this case, if you look it carefully, donating tendency, carbon has more donating tendency than nitrogen, because nitrogen is more electronegative, so it loves the electron. So nitrogen would not leave the electron easily. So in this case, carbon will lose electron, carbon will donate electron in the case of cyanide. Okay, let's take one more example. Nitrous acid. Everybody knows the formula of nitrous acid, HNO2. Here, if you remove this hydrogen from here, we will get O minus and double bond O. In this case, oxygen and nitrogen both can donate electron. But once again I am reminding you, it is an ambidentate ligand. At a time only one can donate electron. So either oxygen will donate electron or nitrogen will donate electron. Here oxygen will donate electron because it has negative charge. Nitrogen can also donate electron. But in this case, though this oxygen has 2 lone pair, but it cannot donate electrons because oxygen is satisfied with double bond and its octet is complete. So in this case, this oxygen will not donate electron. This oxygen will donate electron because it has extra electron, and this nitrogen can donate electron because it has lone pair. Okay, now we take 2 nomenclature of this: cobalt, NH3, 5, NO2, Cl. First of all, we have to see whether it is cation or anion. Chlorine has 1 negative charge. To encounter chlorine, we have to put +1 charge. So clearly it is a cation. Let's start its naming. First of all, we would like to count its oxidation number of cobalt. Let's assume cobalt X. NH3 gives 0 charge. NO2 has -1 charge. Overall, to encounter this, it would have +1 charge. So -1 will go to that side and the oxidation state of cobalt is +2. Okay, so in this case, what would be the name of this compound? Penta. From this amine, AMMINE, the spelling of amine. Actually, in my previous video, I wrote the spelling of amine, AMINE, which was seen by my one of the student. So she corrected me, and I accepted my mistake. So the spelling of amine, you please write AMMINE, amine. Nitro. Why I wrote nitro? Because in this case NO2, nitrogen is donating electron. So mention either nitrogen or oxygen is donating the electron. So in the case of NO2, nitrogen always donate the electron. So mention the name nitro, and from between nitrogen and oxygen, nitrogen is donating the electron. So write N. Cobalt, and the oxidation state of cobalt is second, and chloride. But in this case, the compound is same, but I have written NO2 is ONO. In this case, oxygen is donating electron, so everything will be same, but we have to mention either oxygen or nitrogen is donating. So in this case, oxygen is donating electron, so I have written O. Else everything is same. Penta, amine, nitrito, O. Why I have written O? Because in this case oxygen is donating electron, in this case nitrogen is donating electron. So I hope I have cleared each and everything. You please revise this once again, go through this video once again, and you will get each and everything about this donating side. If you like my video, then please hit a like button, subscribe my channel, and share with your friends. Okay, thank you.